Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys a closer look at the brand new Nike Air Foamposite Big Bangs. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so getting into the shoe box, on the label it says Air Foamposite 1 XXQS, and if you want to legit check my shoes, there's the label right there. I just picked these up from Foot Locker. And looking at the paper, it says Nike all over the paper in big text. And this shoe is downright beautiful. I love the graphic design of the galaxy all over the shoe. And I love this little, the tag that it comes with. Remove before flight. That is amazing. I would say that these are the best Foamposites to come out in recent memory. I would definitely put these above the Chinese New Year's that came out, even though those are very festive, but I 100% prefer these. Some of the cooler things that you'll see is that the galaxy on this side is more blue up to the front, and on this side, towards the front, it's that purple, like darker, and it just gets dark to light until the back area. Overall, a very nice shoe. I, for one, am not the biggest fan of Foamposites, but if I had to choose, I would keep these. The bottoms, are really good for basketball. There are a few flaws with this shoe that I've noticed, just by looking at it right now. On the sides, the glue is spotty. And not on this shoe, but on the other shoe. Mine actually came with a scuff mark on it. Right there's a scuff. And the gluing's just horrendous on my pair. But overall a good shoe. The quality is subpar, it's not very good. But if you're just wearing these, I don't think people are gonna look for the small, minuscule details. So I would say that these are an A1 cop. Again, there's another scuff on the graphic right there, and it's rough and the glue's bad. But definitely a cop. And I'll show you guys some closer images of this of this shoe. I can't put this on foot. I bruised up my feet, and it's hard for me to put shoes on. So, I'll just leave you guys with some pictures. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Are we there? Yeah, ice cubes in a bone, red brain dead, take a tuck in the past. I think we all addicted. Yeah, I think we all addicted.